character continuity in your creative projects using DALL-E, it's essential to feed your imaginative ideas into the system in a structured and detailed manner. This process involves specifying not only the character's appearance but also their actions and the background, ensuring that the character remains consistent throughout different scenes. Define the camera angle and the image view you want. Generating the background and downloading it locally, then uploading both the background and character image, will help achieve a better result. Here you can see how my alternate way of giving commands is improving the image generation results in DALL-E. By refining and specifying the instructions more clearly, the system can create more accurate and visually appealing images. Even if you want to add your local coffee shop, it will be feasible. If your narrative specifies the name of a village, include that as well. If you are creating a car scene, specify the type and color of the car and its intended location, such as on a highway, outside a home, or in a parking lot. Clearly define whether the characters should be inside or outside the car, and where they should sit either in the passenger seat or the front seat. Also, specify the camera angle, whether it should be from the front, side mirror, or back. Providing this level of clarity will help the engine deliver better results. If someone is going to perform an action inside the car, specify how the other characters should react. This detail is also crucial for achieving a perfect output. If you want to correct specific aspects of an image, you can highlight or paint over the areas that need changes. Indicate these to the system clearly. This method allows for precise adjustments and helps the system understand exactly where modifications are required, ensuring better results. This is the video I generated using AI tools. You can search for it on YouTube and see the results. If you like the journey, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.